In this video, I visit Scotland's least used train station, Kildonan in the Highlands. Kildonan is about 70 miles north of Inverness. According to the station usage figures of 2023 to 2024, only 240 passengers used this station. Compare that to Scotland's busiest station, Glasgow Central, which had 25 million passengers. To get to Kildonan, you could just take the train there from Inverness. It takes around 2 hours and 45 minutes. But I decided to cycle there from Helmsdale, that's the station before. That's about 10 miles of cycling. It's a lovely route on a single track road. Believe it or not, it's actually an A road, the A897. You turn off the A897 down another road to reach the station. It really doesn't feel like a road leading to a station. Coming into the station, you cross the River Helmsdale on a stone bridge. The location is absolutely stunning. It sits alongside the River Helmsdale, surrounded by hills. There's not much at Kildonan station or in the surrounding area. So why would you come here? Quite simply, for the peace and the quiet. And if you have a bicycle, the station provides excellent access to miles of quiet single track roads that are perfect for exploring. You enter the station through this sheep gate. Kildonan is a request stop, which means trains will never stop there unless a passenger specifically indicates that they want to go on the train or off it. If you take the road south for a few minutes from the station, you'll get to this magnificent viewpoint where the track curves next to the River Helmsdale and there's a view of the hills in the background. In fact, if you keep going on this road, you can do a round trip back to Helmsdale, although it does involve some cycling on the busy A9 road. So there we are, Kildonan Station. As of 2025, the least used station in Scotland. Few people may come here, but it's really worth the visit. The place is stunning, it's quiet and peaceful. And if you bring a bicycle, you can explore the many quiet single track roads around the station.